Hi guys, welcome to Crisp Digitals. My name is Chris and thank you for stopping by and checking out my videos. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so you will be notified when I upload new videos on my channels. Today I will be showing you guys how to change your paper style and colors and how to change to dark mode for those of you who still don't know how to do that. And also I'll be showing you how to password protect your sections. Alright, and once again please give a like on this video and like thumbs up, and also share and comment down below. So right here I'm just gonna go straight to it. Well, this is my other dashboard. I know some of you are like, you change dashboard a lot. Sometimes I just feel like creating new stuff, but anyways, for those of you who are still curious about this dashboard, I'll just run through it quickly. So here is something I found on YouTube, and I just followed the guy's steps to create something like this, but his own was totally he was creating something different. I just added my own spin and twist to them. Like I added my own day, month right here, and added my own images right here, and here too I added my own and just did my own tweaks to it. Okay, his didn't have calendar here, it was just something else, but in a nutshell, there are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do different things, using PowerPoint. Okay, all right, so mind you, this is not a review of this. I'm not done doing this. I'm not done customizing this new dashboard to my OneNote. So let me just run through it before I get into the tips of this video. So right here, you click here. If you click on the calendar, you see it highlights the calendar right here for me. If I click on finance, it's going to highlight finance right here for me. You see I'm still creating all these things. Yep, still creating. So if I go to work, to just highlight work for me right here, so the same thing, it will highlight everything there for me. But well, that is not exactly why we're here. Yeah, this is my daily planner. So this all that I'm still planning and I'm still working on. So like I said, this is not it. This is not the final steps. Who knows, I might even change everything, or this is not the final look of things, so things might still change. I don't know. Anyways, let's go to the notes so I can start this tutorial. Okay, so first thing I want to do, we want to see how we can change your paper style and color. Okay, so I'm going to create another page right here. I can click here and create a page, or I can use one of the tips and tricks that shortcuts that I did last time. So I just just do this, just say test, and I just click on it, and I've created a page right here. See that? Test. So we're going to use this as a test. So to change our grid paper style, say you want to create like a grid paper page on your OneNote, let's go to view. Okay, so I click on view and go to rule lines. So here are the ones you have. You can choose whichever one you want, but for the sake of this video, let's just use the first one. See how it is dark with a red vertical line and blue horizontal lines. So I like it like this because my background mode is dark mode, And if you into this kind of mode, it's fine. But if you like to have a lighter grid around your page, you can change the colors by going to under view, still under view. So you go to page color, you click on that, and you can go here and start changing the colors the way you want it. All right, see how they're changing? You can go and change them. And to add more, you can just go to more colors, and here you can do more. See that? To get a lighter color, like white color, you hit black, because it's kind of inverted. If you have a dark mode and you hit dark, it's gonna show white, right? So if you have a white mode as a background mode, and you hit dark, it's gonna show and you hit white, it's gonna show dark. But if you hit white here, because you have a dark mode on your OneNote, it's gonna show black. See that? So this is how you change your grid colors. Okay, that's how you change it. All right, so the next thing we want to do, we're going to see how we can change. Say for example you want to change your dark background to white background. You can do that by going to these three dots here, say setting and more. So click on that, and you go to settings, and after under settings you go to options. This might take some time to load. Oh, that was quick. All right, so see where it says dark mode, that's where it is currently for me. So if you want to change, if yours was on light mode, you see how it changes the grid color? You can just come here and choose dark, or if you want to use your Windows mode, because some Windows computers now, they just have their own mode. So you click on that, it will give you whatever mode your computer has. All right, so I like mine to be dark mode. You can use yours as light. Okay, so mine is dark. So this is how you change your mode. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is your password protection for a section. So let's say you already have this and you've typed important things here. You've typed your journal, you've typed your private stuff you want to type that it's only for your eyes and you don't want anybody to see it. Like maybe you just typed anything there. Of course you can't see it because it's on this mode, so you go and let's lighten this up. Doesn't really matter because we can't really see what's in there. So let's say you type something like that and you don't want anybody to see it. This is a private section, this is your diary, this is your journal, these are your password for your emails, your bank statement, your bank account, everything. So right here, and you want to protect it. You can come to where the section is. It could be any of this, and you just right click on it, and you go to where it says password protection, and you click on it, and now you can add a password. So let's say we just add any password out for the simplicity of this tutorial. I'll just type in 1 2 3 4 5 6, and again 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I click OK. So now that you've done that, it's going to add to that password. So this test and this notepad are what has been protected. Right now it's opened, that's why you can see it. But if we click on this padlock icon, we just locked it, so it's been locked. So for you or anyone that wants to gain access to these notes, they will have to enter a password for them to gain access to it. So let's put in our password, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and click on that. So now it's open. Now we have access to it. You can do that, you can set password protection for any of this section right here. Password protection doesn't occur on the page sections. It only occurs on these sections. Okay, pages don't have password protection. If you see, if I right click on it, there is no password protection there, right? But on the sections, you would have password protection to protect that entire section. That's why they have that. All right, guys, so that is it for now. I hope you learned something with this, and I really appreciate you guys coming back to watch my videos. And please, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing, because I will be uploading more videos like this and also more tutorials on how to create different dashboards and different layouts on my OneNotes. And all this they link to something on my page, on my section on my notebook. And I can also show you guys, in my upcoming videos, on how to create an interface just like this, a dashboard just like this one, that links to a lot of different pages. So there are a lot of things you will be able to see on my channels that I'm preparing, and I hope you guys are subscribing, and I hope you are hitting that bell notification so you will be notified when you get this. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And it's a pleasure working with you guys, and I hope everyone is keeping safe and doing their own part in this whole pandemic thing that is going on in the world. I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a blessed and lovely day. Bye bye.